Okay, you ready to go? We're in the high country. No, we're not in the high country. We're in the desert.
We're in the desert. That's right.
We're in the rocky desert. Okay, this is Mike.
And this is Joey.
And we're from our mobile backpack. We're here at Quartzsite. We're on the other side of where the RTR camp is. I think. Steep that way.
Someone had told the BLM, we're going to burn vans out there. This actually happened. And so the BLM called Jude and said, are you guys going to burn vans? And Jude said, yes, with cardboard. So we're going to burn a cardboard van. And so that will be
We're out here at the boondocking session at RTR, and my little sister came to visit with us. I'm so excited. From Phoenix, and we're so excited to have her here and have her experience this as well. This is my baby sister Phyllis. Hi. And her husband Dave, who came out to visit us for the weekend at RTR, said they are officially initiated as RTRers. And I just thought I'd take a moment and find out what they thought of the weekend.
All right, tell them, Sugar.
Well, it's a brand new experience for me. I've done a lot of camping, but I can't ever say that I've ever camped out in the open desert, survived, and did not get attacked.
And where are you from, Phyllis?
And we live in Phoenix, so we came out about 2.5 hour drive.
Cool.
And we just love being able to experience a little bit of rain last night when we were camping, and then I got up around 2:30 and saw the stars because it was perfectly clear. It was absolutely beautiful. So we've got to go up and learn a little bit about what it's like to be, what is it, dry docking?
Boondocking.
Boondocking. So yeah, so it's been fun.
Cool. And Dave, I know you had like an eye-opener when you came out here.
I lived in the desert all my life. This is my own backyard, but I never seen nothing like this. More crazy people and crazy vehicles than I ever seen in one place in my life. From the minute I pulled in, I'm like looking all around going, wow, wow. Acres and acres of just all kinds of RVs in the middle of the desert, and all kind of people just loving and living life. So. And
you brought your truck, which is really a famous little truck here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this truck was your father-in-law and brother-in-law, mother-in-law's, your ex-father-in-law and mother-in-law?
That's right. This is called the Phoenix because it survived the Yarnell Hill fire. The house burnt down, but the truck came out in one piece, and now it's got a new life with us, right, honey?
Yep.
Right, and she came out to the desert just to see what it's like out here. And you guys, this is your first camping trip together since you were married 2.5 years ago, right?
Married for 2.5 years. This is our maiden voyage for the truck and the camping.
And I said, honey, what do we want to go camping in the desert for our first time for? We live in the desert, but now I'm glad we did.
Awesome, awesome. Well, we are so glad that you came, as family came out to enjoy this and share it with our friends that we've met along the road, and just get a little bit of who we are in our new life. Yeah, so we thank you both.
We want to thank you making us welcome in your little camp here, and we really love your new lifestyle and can't wait to join you.
Awesome, awesome. I know. Give me a call on the road. We'll meet up.
Yeah.
All right. Love you both.
See you then.
So that little Class C is working good.
Oh, it's working great.
Yeah.
21 foot, we go anywhere, we can march.
I think there's so much, I would guess you're a lot happier.
We're a lot happier,
yeah.
We had to do a little compromising, but we made it.
Yeah. She wanted a shower. She wanted a full-size shower. We got all that. So we got what we wanted. Covered everything. It's working out. Things are good. But just that's why I tell you we appreciate it.
Yeah, we really appreciate everything you do.
Absolutely. Really enjoy it.
Just brings it home to the camp party.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
nice meeting you.
Getting together and he
backed
in
in front
of everybody.
He backed in that night.
And parked and came and party.
The trainer guy.
They were from Arizona or something.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow. So they're Grand Design thingy is over.
Oh, that's their grand design
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Vagabond?
Vagabond Days. VAGABONDAZE. That's
Look
a cool
at that.
One. Wow.
Yeah.
Those are
You're not
beautiful.
fooling around there.
No, some of these are old. Like this one's from my grandmother. This one's been in the family for probably 10 years.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There's a couple of them from our grandmother that we have in a separate box, and
Yeah.
like the in San Francisco, the bridge.
Oh.
We haven't been there, but her grandma has a charm from there,
Oh, cool.
and when we go there, she'll take it out of the
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah,
put it
yeah,
on
yeah.
because
Yeah.
we haven't been there yet.
You guys
so,
haven't walked the bridge yet?
no.
Oh,
we
you
live
gotta walk the
25 miles from
bridge.
there.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
haven't done
Oh,
that
it's a
yet.
you walk or bike
on
it.
our
You can
list.
bike it or walk it, but the walk is so cool from one
Yeah.
side to the other.
And
it's just
what we typically
That's a big
do is
bridge.
we go
We might
from
bike.
Oh,
the
it's easy to walk. It's
Mill
easy.
Valley
You can walk
side
back and forth.
and walk this way
Yeah,
because it's
into the
less
city.
people.
Into the
You go across the
Okay.
bridge. There's
Yeah.
a big rest area where you can park over there for free. Big area with a vista.
And a lot of
then
people,
you walk it,
van
sometimes-
life has sometimes they have like a little meetups.
Yeah.
there,
Yeah,
they
that
probably
rest
do.
area.
Yeah.
I've seen.
You can park.
Fun in the game.
Yeah,
That's so
absolutely.
cool. And do you have a YouTube channel or
No.
Instagram or anything?
No.
Yeah, so you're out of your van?
Minivan.
And how long you been doing that?
Well, I took a big trip around the Pacific Northwest and some national parks earlier in the year, and then I ran out of money, so got a job for a little bit, and now I'm out here for a month.
But just even having that opportunity to go do that, that's so
It's
cool.
awesome.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Starbucks was gracious enough to give me some time off after being there a long time, so
I used to work for Starbucks too.
Yeah.
A long time ago.
good company.
Yeah, it is. It is. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, and thank you so much for sharing your disc golf game with us. We just, my hubby is just a fanatic about that. He and his friends, so they'll love seeing this.
Yeah, I watch it on YouTube a lot.
Good.
For sure.
Good.
Shout out for Jomez Productions on disc golf, man. They've really helped the sport grow a lot, and it's been great.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yay! Look at you did that! Yay! All in one. Yeah. Oh, look at Kelly. She's a professional. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. Circle of fire.